Welcome back to my kitchen, Judy's Keto Kitchen, and I'm going to make something very easy that I make for lunch. All four of my grandparents were born in Sicily, so I say I'm Sicilian American, and I really miss pasta being on keto. But I have found, I have made my own egg white and whole egg pasta made of crepes and all that, and they're great. But sometimes you just want to not have to cook. So Egg Life, I use their Egg Life egg white wraps on my PSMF days, making sandwiches. And then I found these. These are the noodles. I can only find the Egg Life noodles at our Publix, and I can only find the egg white wraps at our Sautéed here in North Carolina. It's really weird because I used to be able to find the wraps at Food Lion as well, but now the wraps are only at Sautéed and the noodles are only at our Publix. While I'm talking about PSMF, I just want to show you the two books that we have. This Carl and I did together. It's the Precision PSMF Blueprint for Weight Management. And this is how I lost weight and maintained it for the last 5 years by doing this Precision PSMF. And I also have a cookbook, Precision PSMF Cookbook, to go along with the Blueprint manual. So what I do for these, and this is not going to be a PSMF meal because I'm going to be using olive oil. So the egg white noodles come in a package like this. You just dump them on you can use them whole if you want. I don't like to, so I cut them. So I cut them into maybe 1 inch. It's easier to eat. Now, if this were angel hair, which is my favorite type of pasta, is angel hair, I would keep it whole and try to twirl it like I would real pasta. And then I'm not going to eat this whole thing, so I'll just put it back in here, trying to separate. Sometimes the noodles stick together. We also like to do this for a quick and easy dinner. I buy chicken meatballs at Trader Joe's, and I'll put them in a jar of tomato sauce, cook them for like a half hour in the tomato sauce, and then pour it over these noodles, and I feel like I'm having my Italian spaghetti and meatballs. It's helpful, I'll tell you. And I'll tell you the sauce that I use. I know a lot of people say, oh, Rao sauce. Well, I just get any tomato sauce that does not have added sugar in it. And my favorite brand, and the brand that I use the most, is actually Walmart brand. There's no added sugar in it, and it's not filled with bad oils. So that is what I use for tomato sauce. I'll show you how I prepare this for my lunch. And again, this is not a PSMF lunch. I'm still working on how to use these noodles for PSMF days because I think it would be a great lunch. I think what I'll do is probably just put them in a little bit of either chicken broth or beef broth. But about these noodles, this is sun-dried tomato and it's fettuccine. They also have garlic and plain. I normally like the plain. Carl wanted to try the sun-dried tomatoes, so we're trying this. So I'm going to take you over to my stove and I will show you what I do. So I have my cast iron pan, which I love my cast iron pan. And I'm going to turn it on and just have it on medium. And the reason this is not PSMF is because I'm using olive oil. And this is a Sicilian olive oil that I got at Trader Joe's. And then I just put in enough pasta for my one lunch. I'll put a little more in. And you get it all Get the olive oil in all of the pasta. It will soak up the oil. And this is just for me for lunch, so I don't need to make a lot. And then at Trader Joe's I get aglio olio. It's a garlic seasoning, garlic and spicy seasoning. It has sugar. It has salt in it, so I don't need to add salt. And I like crushed red pepper, so I'm going to add just a little bit of crushed red pepper. And then you just make sure it all gets the spices and the oil, and you just heat it up. It doesn't take long to heat up, and this just makes a great lunch. I just started doing this because when we have our chicken meatballs with tomato sauce, we don't use the whole package of noodles, so I had to find a way to use up the leftover noodles without... I love tomato sauce, but it's, you know, tomatoes have a lot of sugar in it, there's a lot of carbs in it, so I don't want to do that too often. So I'm going to call this good. And now we'll taste it. Oh, this is going to be such a good lunch. And it's steaming. I just call this sauteed pasta. Egg white pasta is so good. It's a quick, easy lunch. Very filling. I love egg white noodles. Enjoy.